To tell you the truth, politicians are corrupt in the Philippines. I put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. Owe it to the Filipino people, to be honest to them. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal, bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba-sobra loob ko. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? Look at my legs. It's pitting edema. Tisa, tama na. Nakakatakot na yan. That's why everything I eat is metallic. I have sores because chemotherapy, they say, is a poison. Doing this for the Philippines. Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is but our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. I'm sorry. Pasensya na po mga politiko. Masasagasaan ko na kayong don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth.